got some more bits for the car today. Just arrived. Got these Vauxhall branded seatbelt covers from wish.com again, like the steering wheel cover. Once again, because of its Wish, they're cheap, fake, but they're fine. All you do is got some Velcro along the side here, then you fold. Oh, you can't see it. There's some Velcro along that side, and you fold these two pieces around the seat belt, and then put the Velcro back over, and yeah, they seem quite comfortable. I'll probably do a video of them in the car, but I won't be fitting them just at the minute. Also got today from eBay, as voted for by pretty much everyone, got some more tape for doing the grill, finishing off what was apparently missed off, but it wasn't. Yeah, this tape's slightly different to what I have already on there, because what was already on there is what was left over from doing the wheels, and is thicker and has that lip on, but this should be alright for doing the underside, underneath the what I've already done. So yeah. And then I've got this, but I don't know whether I'm really gonna stick this on the car or not, because of I didn't realise how big it is and probably made a bit of a fuck up. I thought it was another bumper sticker, but no, we ended up with a massive banner. Yeah, good old One Life Live It Land Rover saying. I might be able to cut it and, I don't know, stick these bits under here and put it on the boot, but then it's going to still make it quite massive. Of course, there wasn't any dimensions on the website that I saw, but I don't know, they might be able to make it smaller. Got the instructions here from the company, along with some of the other bumper stickers and stuff that are stuck on the car. It's going to be interesting to stick that on the car. Plus, also, Mum was moaning about it before. But yeah, that's some more of the car pieces for today.